The future of construction in Dubai, leading the way with 3D printing technology. Under the visionary leadership of His Highness Sheikh Mohammed bin Rashid Al Maktoum, ruler of Dubai, Vice President and Prime Minister of the UAE, Dubai is reshaping the construction landscape. Decree number 24 of 2021 outlines a bold ambition. By 2030, 25% of all new buildings in Dubai will be constructed using 3D printing technology. This groundbreaking decree is a pivotal element in Dubai's strategy to become a global leader in 3D printing technologies. The initiative is designed not only to enhance the city's international stature, but also to drive economic growth, boost construction efficiency, reduce waste, and attract top global companies to the emirate. Dubai Municipality plays a central role in the regulation and implementation of 3D printing technology in the construction sector. Their responsibilities include regulation and standards development, creating and publishing comprehensive laws and technical guidelines for the use of 3D printing in construction projects, training and certification, providing specialized training for engineers and certifying facilities that produce 3D printing concrete mixtures, permits and oversight, evaluating project designs, issuing permits, and monitoring compliance to ensure safety and adherence to regulatory standards, encouraging innovation, supporting the adoption of cutting-edge technologies to foster innovation in the construction sector. Dubai's integration of three-dimensional printing technology is revolutionizing the construction industry. The key advantages include increased efficiency and precision, leading to quicker project timelines with higher accuracy and fewer labor demands. Creative design opportunities, enabling the creation of intricate architectural shapes and structures that were once impractical or impossible. Environmental sustainability, with a significant reduction in material waste and the promotion of recycled materials contributing to Dubai's sustainability goals. And improved workplace safety by reducing on-site risks through minimizing manual labor. Dubai Municipality is dedicated to cultivating a smart, sustainable and globally advanced construction sector. By harnessing the potential of three-dimensional printing technology, Dubai is setting new standards for innovation and environmental responsibility, while reinforcing its status as a global leader in advanced construction practices. The future of construction is being shaped today in Dubai, one groundbreaking layer at a time.